Okay, so I'm just quickly going to do a few questions to help those of you who are struggling with some of the work on our systems of equations. But we are going on to algebraic methods from today. So first of all, question 17 on page 23. First I want to start with a hint so that if you would like to just carry on your own, you can do that. So if you look at the question, there are almost two little equations sitting in there. So if you use those as two separate equations, you can solve one for x, and then you can work out by substituting into the other one. So I will just start that for you. So 2y minus, sorry, that's 2x. 2x minus y minus 1 equals x minus 2y. And I can rewrite that as take the x over, so I'll have x equals, so I've taken that x to this side, and I'm going to take those two to this side, so this will become a plus y, so that'll be minus y, and then that will be plus 1. And I'm going to substitute this into this bit of equation over there. So wherever I see an x, I'm going to put minus y plus 1. So it'll be minus y plus 1 minus 2y equals 3 minus y plus 1 squared minus 8y squared. So I'm writing on my screen, so it is looking a little bit bad. So now I'm just going to expand. So I'm going to get, if I can even read what I wrote there. Okay, I'm going to go, that's a y. Okay, so that's going to be minus 3y plus 1 equals, I'm going to expand that bracket out first, so it's going to be y squared minus 2y plus 1 minus 8y squared. And then I am going to simplify that, and I'll get minus 3y plus 1 equals 3y squared minus 6y plus 3. Minus 8y squared. So now I can set it up as just a polynomial, taking everything to my left-hand side. The plus 3 and the minus 8 is going to give me minus 5y squared. So I'm just going to put positive 5y squared on that side. So I've dealt with those two. Minus 3y, and I've got a, sorry, minus 6y, and I've got a minus 3y on this side. So that means I'm going to have plus 3y, and then plus 1 and plus 3. So that is going to be, was there nothing else? Minus 2. Yep, because if I take the plus 3 over, and it's going to be a minus 3. There you go. So now I just need to factorize that. I am actually going to see if I can move this. Okay, so never mind, I'll just go up. So equals 0, and I can now factorize. Can I move this over? Just going to, it's actually going not very well. 5 2s, a 10. You can just put this into your graphics calculator, but it is factorizable just by looking at it. So 10, and I'm going to use 2 and 5 to give me the 3. So 5y squared I want a plus 3, so it's going to be plus 5y minus 2y minus 2 equals 0. And then I'm going to factorize out my 5y, y plus 1 minus 2, y plus 1 equals 0. So I can factorize out my y plus 1. Don't know how my plus 1 ended up down there. It's a bit weird. I'm just going to carry on straight down here. So it's going to be 5y minus 2 and y plus 1 equals 0. So y equals 2/5 or -1. And then you just need to substitute that back into the original equation. I'm not going to carry on from there, but that should have helped, and hopefully you did pause and try to go through all of that. I'm going to now make a different video for number 18.